Good morning, dear students. Today, let us learn the chapter 14 from your grammar, that is tenses. What is tenses? A form of verb that shows if something happens in the past, present, or future. Tenses are mainly of three kinds: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense in English is used to describe an action that occurs on regular basis and for facts that are universal truth. The simple present tense is used for repeated and regular actions. For example, I go to market by bus. The flight leaves by 1 a.m. Second one, for facts. For example, the president lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. A cow has 4 legs. Third one, for habits. Beauty brushes her teeth 3 times a day. Fourth one, for things that are generally true. The sun rises in the east. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Simple past tense. The simple past tense in English is used to describe an action that got over at a definite time in the past. The simple past tense is used. First one, for action that was completed in the past. For example, it rained yesterday. Second, I watched a play last Monday. For a completed action that happened in the past. She was a teacher. I studied Bengali when I was a kid. Third one, to show a duration in the past. He studied Hindi for 2 years. She talked over the phone for 50 minutes. Simple future tense. The simple future tense in English is used to describe an action that will happen in the future. The simple future tense is used. First one, to describe an action in the future. He will cook rice for lunch. She will go to the market tomorrow. Second one, to make a prediction or give a warning. Be careful, you will break the glass. If you work hard, you will get good result. Dear students, go through this page number 83. It's very clearly given in the book. I hope you will understand much better if you read by yourself and by watching the video carefully. Simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Dear students, for this chapter it's very short and very sweet. So better you read by yourself very carefully and also listen the video carefully. You will do much better. You can understand the 3 kinds of tenses, that is the present tense, past tense, and the future tense. So wish you good luck. Have a good time. God bless you all.